Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a screener that I like pretty much use to kind of trade stocks. And it's always up to you if you want to find stocks before they break out. But this is kind of a trading kind of screener. So I'm gonna be showing you how to fill everything up. I will be explaining you what everything means. So let's just get straight into it. If you're interested in that, consider subscribing and liking the video. But first, watch the video till the end and then like or subscribe if you find the video helpful, because I don't want to beg for likes or subscribers. So let's just get straight into it, guys. First of all, you go on Fivis.com, you go on Screener. After that, as you can see, we are left with this. But what I personally like to do is go on all right here, so I don't have to gonna go thing over thing. You feel me? So let's just get straight into it. The first thing that I'm gonna be feeling will be the performance. I would like the stock for today to be up if I wanted to trade today trade it. You feel me? So oh my god, excuse me about this sneeze, bro. But yeah, oh my god, dude. So we want for the performance to be up. What does performance mean? So it basically means if the stock is up or down today, you can basically kind of choose if you want for not to basically for the week, month, even the quarter, year. You feel me? Year to date. So you can go and rate it for return of a given stock, just like that. After that, like we want only the stock for it to be up. That's the performance. The next thing that I'm going to be feeling will be the 20-day price. Okay, the 20-day simple moving average. What do I want to look at the 20-day simple moving average, or what basically 20-day simple moving average is basically the average of the last 20 days closing prices. You feel me? The last 20 days closing prices. And what do we want to fill right here? If for the price to be above the estimate 20. So that this will give us a pretty good indication that the stock is moving to the upside, or but basically that it is in a uptrend. So after that, what do I like to do is to go and click on the price, or like what the call it, and what price for the company to be. I'm personally looking for companies of over like $2-3. You feel me? So let's go with over three, and we are going to be left with 1,523 stocks on the list. But this is still not over yet. Then am I going to be feeling will be the average true range, or ATR. What does that mean? Average true range is a measure of a stock's volatility. The average true range is an exponential moving average, 14 days, of the true ranges. The range of a day's trading is high or low. The true range extends is to yesterday's closing price if it was outside of today's range. The true range is equivalent to the max, high, or the close like price to the minimum minus the minimum low or the close per like pair. Okay, so what do we want to fill right here? We're going to be looking for it to be over point 0.25, or over, or like in a half. You feel me? We're going to be left with only over 0.5. So we want it for it to be kind of volatile. And if you don't know what that means, I'm just go and search it out for you guys. So average true range. What does the average true mean? Average ATR mean, or average true range? Basically, it shows you the average true range. ATR is a technical analysis indicator introduced by the market technician G. Wells Wilder, GR. In his book, New, you can basically go and find that. You can basically go and click on this like kind of image, and you'll basically see what it means. If it is up, you feel me? There's a lot of things going on at that day. So we want it to be over zero point 0.5 or over 25, 0.25. So let's go with over zero point 0.5. Then if you don't find stocks on Friday that the average true range was over 0.5, we're gonna kind of push to the downside. You feel me? So the next thing that I'm gonna be feeling, it will be the volatility. Yeah, the volatility. What does the volatility mean? It's a statistical measure of the dispersance of the returns of a given stock, represents the average daily high and low trading range, or how the volatile stock is. So what do we want to feel right here is for the wick to be over 4%. Over 4%. Okay, over 4%. We want the stock to be in a good kind of move. If you mean we are left with only 389 stocks. Then there are four more things left that we're going to be filling. Well, first will be the industry. You basically kind of know what the industry means. We want all stocks only. Then we're going to be filling the R vol. Okay, R vol, the relative volume. R vol, just like that. What is the RVO? Bro, I don't know what. Just, bro. What does the RVO mean in the stocks? So the relative volume is an indicator that tells the traders how current trading volume is compared to the past trading volume over a given period. So over the given period, I mean this period will be for the relative volume in the past like 3 month range. So what we want to fill right here, of course, to be over 1.5, 1 to maybe 2 or 3. The 3 will be extreme. Okay, we're only going to be left with like 999 stocks, but that's why I'm going to be going with like 2. But you like no, actually, let's go with over 3. You can basically go and try it out. You can basically go with over. Oh my god, not that, bro. You can basically go over 10 if you want to. You're going to be left with 13 stocks, but we don't want to see that. We want it to be, or let's just go with over 3. You feel me? Then we still need to fill two more things, and it will be the change from the open and the current volume. So let's just start with the current volume. It basically tells us the daily volume. You feel me? Numbers of the shares traded today. Okay, how like the numbers of trades or shares traded back and forth that day or on Friday at the time of making this video. It's Saturday, but yeah, we want it to be over 10 million. It's kind of a big thing, over 10 million. As you see, we're gonna be left with like only 12 stocks. But yeah, this is a pretty good screener for a day trading, swing trading. I don't know how you want to call it, but this is a pretty good screener. So that's why I'm showing you guys, of course. Then what do we want for the change from the open to in? Of course, up. As you see, these kind of all these indicators shows us showed kind of us, and will kind of give us a stock or stocks that are in a great upside move, that are overall the volatility is up, the average true range is up, the relative volume is up, and then we want for the stock to be up 3% that day. 3%. You can go with 2 or 1. And we're going to be left with 3 stocks. If you go to the charts, even if you take a look at them, you can basically go ahead and find what do you want to trade. 6 stocks. For example, you choose this SHCR. Basically go ahead and kind of view it on the trading view, but I'm like we're not going to be doing that. Also, this does look good. Why is that? Because as XQC did manage to kind of go above these highs, there's a high chance that we can kind of break through these highs right here. The high of here was 764. So if you kind of break through that, kind of retest it, and of course we can kind of break through the trend line. This is pretty good respected trend line. So yeah, and it will be kind of fine to kind of push above 10 dollars, kind of use it as a floor, and then continue to push to the upside. So yeah, pretty good. This is how the weekly chart looks like for this stock. Okay. It pretty much looks like pretty bearish. Okay, I pretty much love these like candlesticks. This does look like it really wants to drop, but the volatility is insane right here. You go to the monthly, this is how it looks like. You feel me? So maybe I will be looking kind of for sales right here. It pretty much lines up with my sales on the weekly chart. On the daily, it is looking for. I mean, I'm gonna be looking for buys, but yeah, and like that's about it for today's video, guys. That's about it. Let me know what are your thoughts about this screener. You can go ahead and like find out like what do you want and like what stocks do you want to trade. So yeah, we're just gonna back up right now, go to the daily, and right now we're gonna be left right here. Okay, as you see right now we kind of broken through the structure. I think that we can go kind of come around right around like 26 right here, this stock, and then kind of push to the downside. But that's about it for today. Peace out, have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.